What's up, subscribers? In this video, we're going to be talking about some updates for ChargePoint and what's been going on with the merger with Switchback Energy. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. For those of you who may have just recently started to look into ChargePoint as a possible investment, ChargePoint is an EV charging company set to go public via a SPAC merger with Switchback Energy. I first started talking about ChargePoint here on my channel back in December, and since that time we have seen the merger be delayed multiple times. Most recently, the merger was supposed to take place earlier this month on February 15th, but due to limited voting from shareholders to approve the merger, it has once again been delayed. In my opinion, this is likely stemming from the increasing number of retail investors who unfortunately did not realize that they had to vote on this merger before it could be official. So with that being said, the shareholder vote has been extended to give shareholders more time to vote, and the next meeting is tentatively planned later this week on Thursday, February 25th. So please consider this video your reminder to go vote for the merger if you haven't already. If you're an SBE shareholder, you should have received instructions either online or in the mail about how to cast your ballot. If we see enough shareholders vote to approve the merger, then ChargePoint stock should begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange in the near future under the ticker CHPT. So with that being said, what's going to happen to the share price after the merger is official? Honestly, it's so tough to predict, especially with all of the volatility that we're seeing in the market right now. With the rotation of capital occurring from the high-flying tech companies to the more beaten-down turnaround plays such as the travel industry and entertainment companies, we have seen this negatively impact SBE share price as well, which at the time that I'm recording this video is currently trading for around $32 per share and has seen a market decline over the past couple trading days. Historically, for most SPAC mergers, we tend to see the share price reach its peak just prior to the merger, and then after that a sell-off tends to occur. Most recently, we've seen that unfold with Butterfly Network, a medical device company specializing in portable ultrasound technology that just recently went public via a SPAC merger and subsequently has sold off significantly. Although it could be argued that a significant portion of that sell-off is more so related to the larger tech sell-off as a whole. So again, that raises the question, what's going to happen to ChargePoint share price whenever the merger is official? Personally, in my opinion, I believe that the current share price is largely undervalued for the significant growth potential that I see ahead for ChargePoint. But with that being said, with the volatility in the market likely going to continue here in the short term, I wouldn't be surprised to see the share price dip further than it is currently. With that being said, however, I personally have no intention of selling my shares of SBE. I personally believe in ChargePoint a ton for the future. And while here in the short term it may be painful to watch the share price fall, in the long term, in my opinion, this is only going to be a small blemish on the chart. They have already positioned themselves well as the dominant company in EV charging, and with the adoption of EV vehicles going to continue over this next decade, I believe that the sky's the limit for ChargePoint to continue to grow their business and their revenue. What are your thoughts about ChargePoint? Are you invested in this company? Are you thinking about investing in ChargePoint, or are you just waiting to see what happens after the merger and after all of the volatility in the market has settled down? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.